people who are not able to earn money in their life, despite they are super hardworking, despite they are having all the skill set, what exactly is stopping them to earn money in their life? Is the fear, is the blockages, is unconscious belief which is holding them for a very long time, maybe since childhood, for 20 years, 25 years, because of that belief, and it's being stored inside our body. Whatever emotion you're regulating, it's being regulating inside your body. If you're having any fear, you are feeling certain kind of a sensation which is stored in a form of fear inside your body. If you're holding any belief, if you're holding any self doubt, you will feel certain kind of sensation, and certain kind of your body parts get triggered by that emotion whenever you're thinking about that emotion. So, by releasing that, if you want to release that self doubt, if you want to release that fear, you have to release the sensation which is stored inside your body. And to release that sensation, today I will be going to share a very powerful tapping technique. It is called as emotional freedom technique. So, emotional freedom technique is completely based out of science. In our parts of the body, there are certain meridian points. By tapping and releasing that meridian points, you will be releasing the emotions, and you will be circulate the blood flow in your body. In India, we also heard of the term called acupuncture. So it is a similar acupuncture kind of a therapy where we will be tapping certain point across the body to release that stored emotion, to release that emotion which holding you back. Maybe in a form of fear, maybe in a form of self-doubt, guilt, desperation, whatever emotion you can name it, it is stored inside your body, and it's being stored inside that certain part of your body. And generally, whenever you feel this emotion gets stored majorly at the corner side of the body. So we will be using mostly the corner side of the body to tap it. Similarly, in the home, whenever you're cleaning a house, you observe like lot of dirt, lot of lot of mosquitoes, insect have been collected at the corner of the house because it attract the dirt very quickly. Similarly, the sensation is generally stored in the corner part of your body. So, by using this tapping technique, by using this releasing technique, we will be tapping across the body, and we will be releasing all the blockages, all the sensation which is stored inside our body. So, before starting this tapping point, you have to remember certain points in your mind. First, you have to observe at what part of your body you're feeling the sensation. You cannot do the tapping for multiple emotion at a time. You have to take any one emotion at once. If you have self doubt, you can take self doubt. If you have fear, you can take fear. You cannot take all the emotion at once. But tapping work miraculously even if you're not aware about the emotion. While tapping, you will be unconsciously releasing that emotion. It is very, very powerful. But I want you to choose any one emotion at a time right now. If you have fear, if you have self doubt, just choose that. Set an intention at what part of your body you're feeling that emotion. If you're feeling heaviness in your chest, if you're feeling anxiety in your hands, in your legs, in a form of sweat, underarms, anywhere, abdomen, chest, anywhere, if you're feeling the sensation, I just want to focus your consciousness in that part of your body. Close your eyes and just focus your consciousness. And from 1 to 10, rate that emotion, how strong that sensation is feeling inside your body. If it is extreme pain you're observing, then you can rate that sensation 8 to 10. 8 to 9. If it is medium, then it will be 5 to 7. And if it is low, then of course you don't have to work on it. Like, it's your choice. You can take I'll suggest take any strong emotion which actually stopping you, like it's very, very strong, and it's being storing for 20 years, 30 years, or even any pain. You can take any pain as well, like specifically related to earning money, specifically related to doing something in your life, and it's just hold you back. I want you to work on that today, because this is very, very powerful and it will give you result immediately. after tapping itself, you will be observed, you will be finding little relief, you will be finding that the emotion which is stored inside your body, it's getting released. So just do that and rate the sensation between 1 to 10. So after tapping, we will be just observing how much the sensation got reduced. So you have to be careful about it. These 3 points you have to be careful. For physical emotion, like for physical pain, you don't have to observe. You can take it as physical pain. For emotional pain, just close your eyes and just observe at which part of your body the emotion is there. So I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, inhale, exhale from your mouth, take one more deep breath, exhale from your mouth, take one more deep breath, exhale from your mouth. Now I want you to breathe from 1 to 3 counts. Inhale, inhale, inhale. Now hold the breath. Hold the breath for the count of 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now release it. Exhale. While exhaling, take 5 counts. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Will be now I want you to do the tapping with me. So you have to exactly follow what I'm doing. I will be using certain points. You have to work on that certain points while doing the tapping. Exactly like me. You don't have to use your logical mind right now. You just need to experience the feeling of the tapping. Whatever I'm saying, you have to just repeat with me. Hope you understand. So let's get started. Even though been experiencing this pain for so many years, this sensation for so many years, even though I've been carrying this self doubt, this fear, this resistance of earning money for a very long time, which holding me back, which is not letting me to move forward in my life, which create a lot of self doubt, which create a lot of resistance. Because of that, I'm not able to attract good opportunity in my life. And because of this resistance, because of this self doubt, I self sabotage a lot of opportunities in my life. But today, I am going to release all this self doubt, all this fear, all this resistance about earning money. Whatever action which is holding me back related to earning money, today I choose to release the emotion, the fear, the self doubt which holding me back. I'm ready to manifest the money from expected and unexpected sources. I choose to be money magnet. I choose to release all the self doubt, all the fear related to earning money in my life. Emotion of fear, emotion of self doubt, emotion of feeling that I don't deserve money, I'm not good enough, feeling that earning money requires a lot of hard work, I'm lazy. This emotion, this feeling, which is holding me back, which is not letting me to take any action in my life, which create a lot of fear, which create a lot of sensation, heaviness in my chest, breathlessness, whatever emotion I've been storing inside my body. Whenever I'm thinking about earning money, whenever I'm setting high targets, Whenever I'm spending money, whatever fear, whatever guilt, whatever desperation that's holding me back related to earning money, whenever I'm seeing someone else growing in life, whatever insecurities which is blocking my way to manifest money in my life, to attract money in my life, I'm ready to heal my nervous system. I'm ready to heal. I'm ready to heal my nervous system. Ready to heal all the blockages, all the guilt, all the fear. Because of lot of fear, because of lot of judgment, fear of what people gonna think, people fear of what if people judge me if I'll take certain action. What if I fail if I'll take any action? Today I choose to release this emotion. Today I choose to release this self-doubt. Today I choose to release this resistance, this heaviness, this breathlessness, which I've been carrying for a very long time, which is blocking my manifestation, which is storing lot of guilt, lot of fear. Today I choose to release everything from my body. I'm ready to heal my nervous system. I'm ready to attract a lot of money in my life. I'm ready to choose and accept money in all the forms right now. I am ready to manifest a lot of money in my life. I'm ready to choose money. I'm ready to welcome money in my life from all the direction by releasing all the emotion consciously and unconsciously from my body. Let's ready to manifest money together. Let's ready to release all the self-doubt, all the fear, all the negative emotion. Today I declare I am a money magnet. Today I declare I attract lot of money. I attract abundance of opportunity in my life. I'm welcoming the opportunity. I'm welcoming the door of opportunities in my life from any expected and unexpected sources because I am the money magnet and I'm ready to attract and I'm ready to manifest all the money in my life. Whatever negative emotion, whatever self doubt I've been storing inside my body related to money, related to all the areas of my life, whether it's health, money, any relationship, any fear, I'm ready to release all the negative emotion related to money or related to in my health areas. I'm releasing all the self-doubt. I'm releasing all the resistance related to money. I'm releasing all the blockages, all the sensation, all the heaviness, all the breathlessness stored inside my body. I am ready and I am choose to release. I am ready and I am choose to release. I am ready and I am choose to release everything which is stored consciously and unconsciously in my body. Take a deep breath. Even though I've released all the emotion, but whatever emotion is still stored inside my body unconsciously and consciously, in spite of that, I love and accept myself the way I am. I choose myself with or without money right now. I'm ready to open all the opportunities in my life related to money. Take a deep breath, exhale. Technique. Using this tapping technique, you can release any negative emotion, any self doubt, whatever you've been carrying for a very long time related to earning money, or any action you want to take, or if you have given money to someone but you have you're not able to ask your money to someone, so you can release that fear, you can release that emotion, You can release that guilt, that regret, anything is there related to money, you can release by using this tapping technique. Whatever points I have tapped, you have to be careful about the points. You have to tap exactly. Even if you don't know what to say, I want you to set an intention in your mind and just say whatever emotion comes to your mind. If there is guilt, if there is shame, if there is any emotion, just tap it and just release it and say that I'm ready and I'm choose to release this emotion. While tapping, I'm releasing this emotion from my body. I'm accepting the money. I'm ready to attract all the opportunity from unexpected and expected sources in my life. So you have to follow this tapping technique. After doing this tapping technique, if you're having a very higher sensation, you will be feeling that your sensation get reduced, but you don't have to stop tapping. You have to tap till the time the sensation gets zero. So you have to tap at least 5 to 6 times. And if you do this regularly, over a period of time, you will feel very normal. Whenever any self-doubt comes, it automatically feel normal and you will be easily able to take any decisions in your life comfortably related to money. I'll promise you if you do it till 21 days. So just don't use your logical mind, don't think so much. Just try and just test it how the results you will be seeing in your life. I'll promise you, you will attract a magical change in your life in just 21 days. So try this technique and thank you so much for watching this video. Thank you so much.